Explore Yogyakarta city in 180 minutes. Start your day in Yogyakarta with a city tour that will give you an idea of the city's beauty. Your first stop is the Sultan's Palace, also known as Keraton, an impressive example of traditional Javanese Sultanate architecture from the 18th century. Then, you'll head to the Taman Sari Water Temple, an extension of the royal complex. Built over 2 centuries ago and designed specifically for the first Sultan's harem. The tour includes everything you need: transportation to and from your hotel, a guide, and mineral water throughout the trip. Entrance fees as per the program are also included, as well as parking fees, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your adventure. Taman Sari in Yogyakarta, Indonesia, Jomblang Cave. You will be fascinated by the natural beauty of Jomblang Cave, the most famous of hundreds of caves in the Gunung Kidul Cave complex. This complex stretches along the southern coast from Gembong in central Java to the karst mountains of Mount Su in West Java. Thousands of years ago, a collapse of soil and vegetation below the surface created a sinkhole about 50 meters wide and up to 80 meters deep. Over many millennia, an incredible forest developed inside the cave. Fed only by the sky rays, a daily 3-hour window of sunlight that penetrates inside. Jomblang Cave near Yogyakarta in Indonesia. Explore the beautiful surroundings of Yogyakarta. The fascination does not stop at the city limits. Around Yogyakarta, there are a variety of natural beauties that will leave you speechless. Mount Merapi. Imagine standing atop the majestic Mount Merapi, an active volcano with breathtaking views of the lush landscapes below. Mount Merapi, near Yogyakarta, is one of the most active volcanoes in the world and one of about 500 volcanoes in Indonesia, of which at least 129 are active along the Asia-Pacific island arc, also known as the Ring of Fire. Despite its activity, the people here have formed a close bond with the mountain, accepting its rumbling and coughing as part of normal natural phenomena. The mountain has calmed down for some time now, but it still attracts hikers, rock climbers, and adventurers who want to follow the hot lava flow from the last eruption, even though it has cooled considerably. Whether you're a professional volcanologist or simply looking for adventure, the perilous ascent of Mount Merapi will fascinate and challenge you in equal measure. Whether you want to go up by jeep or climb, there is an experience for everyone. Volcano Mount Merapi near Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Merapi Lava Tour in a 44 vehicle. Start your day with a drive to the slopes of Mount Merapi, where you can enjoy the fresh air and breathtaking views. Then, experience the adventure of a sightseeing tour in a 44 vehicle through the forest, including a visit to the remains of the last eruption in 2010, a tourist destination of high interest. The comprehensive tour includes transportation and pick-up or drop-off directly at your hotel. A knowledgeable guide will accompany you and provide you with all the information you need. Mineral water is provided for your convenience, and all entrance fees are included in the program. You don't have to worry about parking fees either. Parangtritis Beach. If you're more of a sandy beach fan, then Parangtritis Beach is for you. Experience exciting water activities or just enjoy the golden sun and relax in a gorgeous setting. Parangtritis is only about 28 kilometers 17 miles from Yogyakarta, a perfect distance for a day trip to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and enjoy the relaxing atmosphere by the sea. A breathtaking view awaits you: green hills against the backdrop of the roaring sea. Take a deep breath and listen to the waves crashing on the shore as you walk along the beach. If you get tired, you can rest in one of the shady shelters, where you can sit for a small fee. Close to Parangtritis Beach is the hot springs at Parangwedding, where you can soak for 15 minutes for a small fee. Enjoy the health benefits of these waters and feel rejuvenated after your soak in the warm water area.